Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying hardware and account readiness. First, make sure your iPad has a Touch ID sensor and that you're signed into your Apple ID. Once done, open Settings and go to Touch ID and passcode to register a fingerprint if you haven't. This ensures fast authentication. You do this now because the App Store requires an enrolled biometric and an active Apple ID for purchases and downloads. Make sure Touch ID is enabled for iTunes and App Store before proceeding so the store recognizes. Now you'll link Touch ID specifically to the App Store. Go back to Settings, choose Touch ID and passcode, and toggle the iTunes and App Store option on. This pairs your enrolled fingerprint with purchase authentication. When prompted, enter your Apple ID password to confirm the change. This step authorizes secure transactions. Once that's set, try downloading a free app so the system prompts you for Touch ID instead of your password. This verifies both permission and that your fingerprint unlocks App Store actions reliably. Finish by routinely using Touch ID to confirm downloads and purchases. You should see a fingerprint prompt or a small authentication banner. If Touch ID doesn't work, don't panic. Re-register the fingerprint in Settings or toggle the iTunes and App Store setting off and back on to reset the linkage. Also, restart the iPad and check for iPad OS updates because software bugs often affect biometric features. If none of that helps, contact Apple support with your device serial and Apple ID ready for faster diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.